Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to text with your crush. To start, send a simple, open-ended question that invites more than a yes or no answer. Keep your first few texts brief, perhaps 1 or 2 sentences, to avoid overwhelming them. Aim to respond within a reasonable time frame, not too quickly or too slowly, showing you're interested but not desperate. This sets a comfortable pace for your conversation. Once the conversation flows, use emojis sparingly to add personality without overdoing it. Share small, interesting details about your day or things you're passionate about. This invites them to share back. When appropriate, give a genuine compliment, focusing on their personality or a smart observation they made. This shows you appreciate them beyond just their looks and keeps the spark alive. To keep things positive, avoid sending a barrage of texts if they haven't responded. Give them space. It's also wise not to overshare personal details too soon. Build trust gradually. Steer clear of excessive slang or abbreviations that might be unclear or make you seem less mature. Maintaining a balanced and respectful approach will make your crush more comfortable and engaged in the conversation. After a few positive text exchanges, consider suggesting a casual meetup, like grabbing coffee or going for a walk. Always be confident and authentic in your texts. Let your true personality shine through. Remember, the goal is to build a genuine connection. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial mindset, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Keep being yourself and good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.